At the heart of everything we do, there is a spark that provides energy to empower everything around us. From something closer to us, our homes, our habits, our lives, to something bigger, our businesses, our goals, our visions. It helps us move towards the future, and it all begins with that single spark: electricity. With the world evolving faster than ever, we are now walking towards this greener and cleaner future where sustainable energy is key. To do that, you need a reliable partner to navigate through this exciting, ever-changing journey. Elsewedy Electric has been helping businesses around the world as a global provider of energy, digital, and infrastructure solutions to 110 exporting countries via 31 production facilities that operated in 19 countries worldwide. Elsewedy Electric Indonesia is a regional hub to the surrounding area with enormous economic potential, serving Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, Australia, New Zealand, and other Southeast Asia and Pacific regions. Rapid growth, an emerging market, and developing economies requires more electric power than ever before, and Elsewedy Electric Indonesia is ready to be a part of it. Sparking businesses with state-of-the-art technologies and digital intelligence, we are committed to provide the power that can rely on to grow bigger and better than ever. We help industries thrive and grow sustainably, from energy-related sectors such as mining and oil companies, electricity companies, to future-oriented tech companies. With the global sustainability mission and our commitment to communities to provide integrated energy solutions, we are contributing for the change by delivering clean and sustainable renewable energy in every aspect of life, with efficiency at the core of everything we do. Together, let's march this exciting journey towards a better future. Elsewedy Electric Indonesia, empowering a better world.